Hey folks, this is Indy from the TLC team, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quick student check-in using Mentimeter. This is an informal but powerful way to get feedback from your students on how they're doing. Creating opportunities for students to share about themselves is a crucial step for building a culture of community interest in your classroom. Also, because this is anonymous, it's a great low-stakes way to get a pulse on your class before a lesson or new activity. As always with our videos, feel free to pause as needed as you watch. First, get logged in at Mentimeter.com. I like logging in with Google. When you're ready, click on New Presentation. So on this page, the first thing I'm going to do is actually create my title, and I'm just going to call this Daily Check-In. And next, let's look at question types. There are a number of different possibilities here, both for sharing content as well as for gathering input. Since this is pretty self-explanatory, I'm just going to go straight to the question. And for this purpose, I really like scales, since it lets me gather multiple inputs of info on one page. Now, let's go with a prompt on this slide. I'm just going to do rate the following. Next step is actually looking at these statements and replacing them with what I'm trying to measure. So I want students to tell me how they're doing today, how they're doing this week, and how much, they've gotten to use their strengths lately. Sorry for those typing errors. Last thing we need to do is go ahead and just specify the dimensions or labels. Since students are just rating on a number scale, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the labels, and then we'll be able to see from this low to high level how well they're doing. We're done. So I'm going to go ahead and click present here, and then I'm just going to log in on my phone to see what a sample response looks like. So I went to menti.com, I used this code, and then I voted. And one thing that's really cool is that these averages will actually change as you get multiple votes. You can also see the total number of responses in the bottom corner. This is all pretty cool. Now when you go back to the editor, you'll actually have the option to download and or reset your results. And this is a great way to save yourself some time if you want to use the poll again. As always, reach out to us at TLC@mayersonacademy.org if you need any support. Good luck.